Here's how to perform a barbell RDL. So the first thing you want to think about when performing the barbell RDL, you want to get into your starting position. So your starting position, typically your feet are going to be directly under your hips. They can be a little bit wider or a lot wider depending on which variation you're going to do, but this is a standard variation. So your feet are going to be directly under your hips. Your toes are going to be pointed straight forward, or they can be just slightly pointed out. I like to assume a neutral grip. So my hands are both gonna be overhand grip and my thumbs are gonna be a length away from the edge of the knurling, okay? So I set my hands up with a thumb's length away from the edge of the knurling here, and then I wrap around. I usually like to use straps when I'm performing this lift, so that way I don't have to worry about my grip unless I'm actually trying to train my grip strength. All right, so grab the barbell, get into position that you're already in, think about your deadlift setup, come to the top. This is gonna be our starting position here. You can pull it from a rack or you can pull it from the floor. It's totally up to you or whatever you have access to. Some coaches may tell people to do it a little bit differently, rack or floor. It's totally up to you, okay? All right, so from the starting position, my knees are loose. All I'm gonna do is just shoot my hips back, keeping my torso as neutral as possible. And then once my torso is parallel with the ground, then I'm gonna come back up, squeezing my glutes at the top position and squeezing my quads, okay? So again, from the top position, I am shooting my hips back until my torso is parallel with the ground, squeezing my glutes to come up to the top, and I'm not arching my lower back to finish the lift. I'm just squeezing my glutes here. As you go down, you want to make sure the barbell stays close to your body the whole entire time. You don't want that barbell to drift away from your body because that's going to put excessive strain and stress on your lower back that you don't want while you're loading up this movement. And that's how you perform the barbell RDL. See you in the next video.